I wouldn't want to do the extra.
We are gonna go to Turner Falls today, sunny day. So I'm gonna meet up with my friend Matt and another bra, and we're gonna do some filming at Turner Falls to cameras. Yeah. Computer, turn off all lights.
Okay.
On road again. Yo.
Alright.
I'm on my way.
Alright, I'll see you in a little bit.
Alright, we're gonna skip the driving part.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can write that here.
You ADD fucker. Shit. Reason I didn't see it on your.
Who you good boy? Who you good boy? Who you good boy?
Maybe we can take yours.
Save yourself! I'll only hold you back! If there is. Oh, there's no dead long legs. Man, should have brought my light. This is some creepy shit. It's like Outlast. Dead end.
Is it dead end?
Yeah.
Well, that's y'all.
Look at me! I'm double vlogging! I am not live.
So narrow.
Vlogging, they will vlog you, Karen. Yeah, yeah. You get your manager. I wish I could jump here, but yeah, I'm old. Yeah, I'm old. I'm in my 30s. Nope.
My calculations is correct. This photo should come out like a freaking beast.
Yes, sir.
so weird. I couldn't right now.
Oh, those fishy.
Yeah, there's a lot of them over there. Traverse back.
Shit.
He's like, I forgot I had to do that.
Too bad.
Good job, you made it.
Yeah, you made it. I'm glad I could be in assistance.
You gonna take the GoPro with you?
I'm gonna have to like blur all this out.
It already looks blurry.
Wow.
You have to grab one side.
And then just jump up.
Shit. Can't even reach it.
Oh, wow, that's really deep.
Holy fucking shit balls, it's cold.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I need my GoPro. I'm gonna film underwater. Here I come.
Was it cold?
Yes, it's cold. Yes, it's cold. Very cold. Right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Dude, just look how good it looks though. Just the quality and just color, everything looks good. Yeah, I kind of figured it was going to be super deep. Dude, look how... Hey, Richard, how deep is that water? Okay, yeah. The zoom on this,
Shit.
If that didn't wake you up, dude, nothing will.
Communication and it like extends out.
I'd climb down it.
Shit. Word. Okay. Alright, this is where we die. I have the camera, so I should be okay. I shouldn't die. I'm the main character now, right?
What's over there?
None of your business.
A big area like this?
Yeah, there's stairs here.
Is there really?
Yeah.
Because all you're doing is documenting what's happening at that time frame.
Two of the cheesy, I can't remember what they're called. The cheesy chicken crispinadas.